Good morning, everyone. Kaikane is here to help you, so do not forget that. If you want to be rich, then I can definitely make that happen. All you need to do is listen. This AM, I'm going to quickly talk about how to be the best ESL and private English teacher abroad. If you really want to know how to be the best ESL and private English teacher abroad, you must follow, use, and implement the secret tactics written in my awesome and helpful book. Only then will you realize that you can make it. You can do it just as easy as I had done and still do to this day. Let me run through a few basic tips that are overlooked by most ESL teachers abroad. Number 1, know your stuff. Grammar, vocab, teaching methods, and so on. Number 2, be happy. Number 3, be positive. Number 4, be cool. Number 5, be friendly. Number 6, be sexy. Number 7, smell good. Number 8, wear nice clothes and look good. Number 9, wear nice colognes or perfumes. Number 10, ask your students how they are feeling or doing. Number 11, be caring. Number 12, smile. Number 13, go beyond their expectations at all times. If you can do all of these and then some, then you'll be making bank sooner than later. That's a fact. Again, these are not all the points on how to be the best ESL and private English language teacher abroad. However, they are some of the most important ones. Find out more in secret future videos to come, and find out quickly by talking to me one-on-one via my private Skype or email consultations. That's it for today, y'all. Be sure to check out my cool website, GetRichTeachingEnglish.com, and get my book if you haven't yet. Also, if you have any further in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering, or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find a rewarding ESL teaching job abroad, the best places on where to move to teach English overseas, learn the secret tips and tricks of teaching and how to make tons of money in the process, then please don't hesitate to book an email or Skype consultation with me via my website at GetRichTeachingEnglish.com. I also provide resume, revamp, edit, and reference services as well that will definitely help you out. Good day, and stay tuned for more awesome vids. There are thousands to come. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay focused.